stuff to clean. This kitchen is not clean like I wanted it to be, so this is what I'm gonna get in here and wash these dishes. I'm gonna clean the table off, sweep the floor, and mop the floor, clean the oven off. I'm gonna clean the stove off. Y'all, it's been a busy day. My son's computer messed up, so getting that fixed. So we have to like do his schoolwork through his tablet. He have to listen to his teacher through his tablet so he can get counted for class participation. It's overwhelming. It's very overwhelming. I'm gonna keep going until he gets the help that he needs. It's been very busy. It's been a busy week already. The darn trash usually come tomorrow. Thank God me and Antoine went out there and took it out today because it ended up coming today. It came a day early. It's crazy. I'm so glad. You know what I'm doing. I'm so glad this darn Aaron, y'all. Y'all know how it get. Aaron said hi. I'm so glad. I just thank God that me and Antoine took out the trash today because we don't have to worry. We had a whole lot of trash too, and we don't have to worry about missing the trash. And we had all that trash out there. Lord have mercy. I would have been so upset if I would have missed the trash. That's one. I don't care about missing the recycling service, which they said is not supposed to be coming no more for a while because I don't know what happened, but it's not supposed to be coming for a while. But, I think it's a shortage of workers or something. So many of y'all came out with videos at one time. I'm gonna watch all of them later and go through and comment. Cause so many of y'all came out with videos at one time. So many premieres and stuff. And then I was on the phone with my son's school, so I couldn't get to everybody's videos how I wanted to. So I'm gonna get to them though. Y'all know I will. Y'all know me, y'all know I will. I can't believe I had all these dishes in the sink. I don't usually have all these dishes in the sink. I usually like, as I cook, I usually clean as I cook. It's okay. We had some burgers tonight. And we had some hamburgers and baked beans tonight. I was gonna make some macaroni and cheese, but I'm gonna make that another night. I said I'm gonna take it easy on myself since I did stay on the phone with this boy with his school all day long.
But where we got that?
And Anthony have extra classes. He just started taking extra classes, so. It's every day. It's gonna be like a long school day, and like through the week, like Wednesday, it won't be any classes for him. So I want to make sure he stay up on his work, so Wednesday we can rest, and I don't have to worry about school day that day. Wednesday is a rest day for my other two students. And with Antoine class being like an hour long too, I got to check and see which one of my kids' schedules don't conflict with his schedule, to see if I can let him use their computer while his computer is down. They said it's gonna take 24 to 40 hours for them to get his computer ready, and if they can't get it ready, they're gonna give him another one.
So. And another one?
Yep. If it doesn't work, they're gonna give him another one.
Another one?
Yep.
Why?
Because he need to do his schoolwork. His schoolwork is important. You know?
Yeah.
School is important.
Yeah. One bed on. Not bed on this. Even one.
You got to make sure, man, these things, you got to make sure you scrub these things down good. I love this dish. This Pioneer Woman dish. This is like my favorite one out of all of the ones I have.
Ma, I got the you. We have one in your own house.
Mm-hmm. My boss man, y'all.
What is my old house, little bitty?
Your old house.
What is your own house?
What?
What is your?
You want to eat in your old house?
What is your own house?
Oh, okay. All right, guys. We're going to come back when we clean some. All right, guys. So I got a Dollar General haul. So please bear with me. Okay, I got 5 boxes of Kleenex. I couldn't find the case with 6 in there. So they had a deal with, they had instant savings on Cottonelle products, Vivo, and Kleenex. But anyways, what I got with that deal was 5 boxes of Kleenex, Vivo paper towels, and 2, you need to move out of the way, Erin, and 2 Cottonelle tissues. I got some Golden Flakes. I got some toothbrushes. I got a 3-pack of plates. I'm talking about 3-pack of plates. I got a 100 pack of foam plates. Erin distracting me, y'all. I have a pack of forks, a pack of spoons, plastic forks, plastic spoons. I have a family size of goldfish. I forgot to order that from Walmart.com, so I just ordered it from I just got it from Dollar General. The expiration dates are on here are good. It's 12, 26, 21. And the expiration date is good on here. It's June 14, 22. So they pretty good. And I know it's gonna be gone before December, so I ain't worried about that. I got this for my grits. And I have some paper towels. And that's it for this haul, guys. I have an Amazon haul. I have a 10 count of Mountain Dew, a 10 count of Pepsi. I have these Hormel microwavable meals. Like I have these so when like I don't feel like cooking and want a snack, something to eat quick that I have. I'm trying to open it up so I can let you see. This one is the turkey. Okay, I'm gonna show. This one has turkey and dressing. It has white turkey. You just pop it in the microwave for 60 seconds. And these are I got some Pringles. It's a 27 pack. It has 6 original, 6 cheddar cheese, 6 sour cream, 3 barbecue, 3 cheddar. Excuse me, y'all, for the noise, y'all. 3 cheddar and sour cream, 3 pizza. Right here, I have these granola bars. My daughter really loves these granola bars. It has chocolate chip, peanut butter, s'mores, and this one. These are chocolate dip on this side. They have chocolate chip and they have peanut butter. I have 2 of these. Okay, Erin. I got 2 of these Nate's raw, 100% pure and raw, unfiltered honey. Over here I have peaches, mixed fruits, and mandarin oranges. And I have these strawberry Mentos, which my babies really like. That's why all the commotion is for in the background. They saw these Mentos. But this is it for now. It's more coming, so stay tuned because I have a really huge Amazon order, so stay tuned.